Good evening, Farmer Joe here. I'm going in to do a bit of shopping here in Aldi. Now, this is where your healthy eating starts. I'm in the car park of Aldi. When I step in the door there, I know there's going to be 70% of unhealthy food all around me. And 30% of the natural, homegrown food I'll be buying, All naturally produced food, which is a mix of single one ingredient food. That's the only food I buy. So that's how I'm able to eat healthy. There's no unhealthy food in my house. So even if I wanted to eat unhealthy, I couldn't do it. And that's the best way to have you and your family. Farmer Joe in Dublin, take care. Bye bye now. Good afternoon, Farmer Joe here. This is me shopping in my local Aldi. So this is me going to have a look at the Super 6. They have 6 options of fruit and vegetables every week here in Aldi. So I always check around here. Here's me buying some walnuts and cashew nuts. And I find Aldi very good for buying nuts, raw nuts. And I use the walnuts in salads, and I use here's me buying beef, bit of roast beef. Cut this up now and use it in beef dishes for myself and Tiny and Skipper. I'm buying some eggs. As you see, it's all single one ingredient food I'm buying. Here's the stuff I don't buy. All the Easter eggs, all the chocolate in the kids' faces. Don't buy any of this processed, ultra processed chocolate, biscuits, nothing like this. Look at all the Easter eggs. Sorry, not for me. So I'm going to buy some onions here. A bag of these onions. This is me now, Farmer Joe, leaving Aldi, and I only purchased all single one ingredient food, and that's the way I shop to eat healthy. All have a nice evening. Take care. Bye bye now. Good afternoon, Farmer Joe here. Here's me starting a dish here, which is king prawn stir fry, and I'm going to do king prawn fouillon as well. I just added spinach to the pan there. And as I said before, even if I wanted to eat healthy today, I wouldn't have a choice, because when I go shopping, as you all see, I buy only single one ingredient food. And if you want yourself or your family to eat healthy, just don't bring the unhealthy food into the house. You won't be able to eat healthy. So just finish this off now. This is me starting dish number 2 now. Just a bit of spinach, bit of garlic, bit of mushroom, bit of spring onion. Back to you now. Dish number 1, dish number 2 coming on. Time to add the prawns to both dishes. Dish number 2 there. Okay, there you go. Dish number 1 is ready there. Just added a bit of oyster sauce, a bit of white pepper. Dish number 2, I'm just going to add a bit of cheese. So we're nearly ready to go here now. There you go. That's eating healthy with Farmer Joe. So that's my meal now plated up, Farmer Joe here. And if someone handed me that in a 5-star hotel anywhere in the world, I'd be very happy. And see, the sad thing about it is, none of them cook healthy like this. Farmer Joe in Dublin, take care. Bye bye now.